Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Microsoft To Do and signing in so your lists sync. Once signed in, create a new list with Plus New List, give it a clear name and color so you recognize it quickly. Then add your first tasks using Quick Add. Type the task and press Enter. Make sure to use concise task titles. This speeds review. Once done, pin or favorite the list so it's always easy to access across desktop and mobile. Now you'll organize each task by adding due dates and reminders so nothing slips. For multi-step work, add steps to break tasks into measurable actions and put context in notes to explain the why. Use drag and drop to reorder priority tasks and assign flags or importance when needed. Next, open My Day and add a few high-impact items to focus on today. This clears cognitive load. Make sure to review repeating tasks and convert them to recurring schedules when useful. Finish by marking tasks complete with a tap or swipe. Periodically review the completed list to track progress and restore items if needed. If lists don't sync, force a refresh, check your internet, and sign out then back in to re-establish sync. This fixes most issues. If you can't find a task, check deleted or recycle bin and restore it. Finally, make a habit of updating deadlines and using My Day nightly to prepare. That closes the loop and keeps you reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.